Hello guys, today we are going to learn the parts of speech in English with examples. But before moving ahead, please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Noun, a word that represents a person, place, thing or idea. Examples: cat, city, love. Sentence: this is my cat. Pronoun, a word used in place of a noun to avoid repetition. Example: he, she, they. Sentence: he is very clever. Verb, a word that describes an action, occurrence, or state of being. Example: run, sing, is. Sentence: I like apple. Adjective, a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. Example: beautiful, tall, happy. Sentence: she is very beautiful. Adverb, a word that describes or modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Example: quickly, very, happily. Sentence: my cat. Preposition, a word that shows a relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. Example: in, on, at. Sentence: cat was sitting on the table. Conjunction, a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses. Example: and, but, or. Sentence: I am very hungry, but the fridge is empty. Interjection, a word or phrase used to express strong emotion or surprise. Example: wow, oh no, hooray. Sentence: wow, what a beautiful car.